Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Holaspirit, a tool that scales your business with improved transparency and that keeps everyone on the same page. Holaspirit is an organizational platform that helps scale your business with clarity and transparency so you build and grow self-managed teams. I was thinking about how to explain that concept to you, but at the same time, it's innovative and useful. They just took many concepts of company organization, business development, and built into that tool. That like everything goes around those bubbles that are the spirit of the organization. So everybody can know what's happening and can interact with the organization with new ideas that they call tensions. The idea is pretty good. I think it's a tool to put work into an organization. It's not something that a startup will benefit, because the idea here is to make complex systems be more manageable and transparent and easygoing, in a way that everyone will be in good vibes and the project will work faster with more feedbacks, etc. It's a nice idea. It's a huge tool with a strong concept, and of course you should take a look at it and see if it works for your purpose. And they have big players using that tool. They claim that Porsche use Holaspirit. And the deal here changes by the number of users, and you need at least tier 2, because without it you are not getting OKR. That is the main function of the Holaspirit. So having Holaspirit and not having OKR will not be good enough. So buy at least tier 2. And if you need more users, if you have organization that's bigger, just buy the tier 3. If you have a big organization with at least 10 users, 15 users, you can benefit yourself and change all your perspective of your own business model using seriously that tool. But let's check it out how the deal works. As you can see here, everything happens between around those circles, those bubbles. And you can picture your organization looking at the bubbles. You're going to create each one, or you can use a template to start to operate the system. And you can see here that that organization is divided between back office operations, marketing and sales, product management, and service. And those are divided by 3 teams, circles of operations, developers, the leader, the product manager. And here we have the circle leader, the main one, like the CEO. It holds the purpose of the overall circle. They will, from him or her, will emanate all the delights of the organization. And then you can see here the circle lead will be like the CEO and those who work near them. And here they can upload their documents, and you can see their activities, metrics, checklists, projects. That's why the transparency, because in the organization, everyone can understand the process, and you can visualize all the aspects of your business development and workflow. So here you can see the guys from social media, and then they have their purpose there, their accountabilities, they're posting relevant content to their targets on a regular basis. You can see the members here, or you can add a member, their documents, activities, metrics, checklists. You have a project management, the whole activities and the main aspects of their circle clicking here. So that's the Holaspirit. Okay, and you can see the rows. So every bubble you can see here, you can create those new bubbles at a circle. Here you can see those circles here on the rows, main rows, and for instance, the back office operations are related with the role of circle leads, and they are into they contain all those mini roles: billing and collections, compensation, hiring, IT. Okay, and you can click here to change how your business operation works. That's the aspect that is innovative, and at the same time, it's simplified all the operation, because you can see all the company here. Can you see it? Can you see that? All the company, all the aspects of them are here on the bubbles. And I'm going to create the bubbles and relate them. Then you can see everything that is happening here. And you can create proposals, right? For your organization. Here we are seeing the governance, okay? And here you can add a mini action. Actions are the small tasks that will drive the OKR. So what, I think that you need to do, your circle need to do, your team needs to do. So I'm gonna add here, finish this task, and you can add the description, and here you assign that task to a role, for instance, the marketing and sales, and you can add the members responsible for that action, the due date. You can add attachments here using Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, or even adding a link. Okay, and it's done. Here are the actions, and when you complete the action, check this action. Okay, the action is completed. You can see here the completed action. And here are projects. So projects are the bigger ones that they can, where you do not have only one action, you have like a whole project, a to-do list. It's a big thing. The project contains many actions. So you can create a project here, blah, 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 and add that project to a circle. So everybody will know that they have a new project looking at their circle, and can see the other projects of the other members of the organization looking to the governance of the corporation. As you can see, the Holaspirit is the governance. You can see everything there. That's why you have transparency. And you can see here that you don't have one or two projects all like mix it up. The tool separates the projects between the circles. Okay, and here you can change, of course, if you're going to say future waiting or current, but like any project management, you can change, everything here. And like any project management, this is the project management aspect. So you need to buy at least tier 2 to have access to that project management. And here is one of their main features, the OKRs app. I do not have access because I have a free plan, but you can see here, time frame and hierarchy. They will generate OKR that is objectives and key results. Achieve your most important goals. The OKR app makes it easy to organize the workflow around your company goals and foster transparency and alignment across the organization, helping everyone focus on what matters the most. Activate the OKR to plan, track, and execute goals, and visualize OKR tree that highlights ownerships and the dependencies on the path to success. And so they will create those paths to success, like a video game. You need to finish those tasks, and they are related in a way that when you accomplish your objectives, you are getting your key result, like a video game. So you're gonna get that OKR app that's valuable. And on the inbox, it's where you add your tension. What is a tension? Tension is an idea. It's a tension by itself. It's a sentiment. It's something that you need, for instance, to improve in your organization. My org needs more transparency. And you will add on that circle the general. It's related to everybody. And you can set as a project or not, or as an action or not. Because attention is not an action or a project. So tension is the first thing. It's like a sentiment, it's an idea. It's something that does not have a plan, or you do not have an action. So the idea is to add your tension and then transform it on a project or an action. If it's easier to resolve that transparency problem, you can add as an action. You can transform it as an action. So your attention was successful set as an action. If it's not, if you need something more complex, you transform it in attention on a project. As you can see, each one has the degree of complexity. And also you have a meeting feature where you can schedule your meetings with people of your circles, and also related if it's a tactical or a governance meeting. And here you add the video conference link. You use the organization to agile all your project. Here you can see the members and the roles of the members. So the organization will have all the transparency. You can check all the activities. Everything is open to everybody. You may be able to change some features to, add some secrecies and things that only people from some circle will know. Maybe it will be possible on settings. Okay. Here, administration. So you can change colors, whole templates, meeting templates, circle settings. So you can change all the organization and how the governance works. I hope you like that review. It's an overview, so you can take a look. That tool is huge. If you have a use case for that, go for it. It's a huge tool. It's a huge tech. I hope you like that review. Click on the link below to help me to keep going. Bye.